Hey everyone, and welcome to my kitchen faucet channel. Today, we're diving under the sink and into the fascinating world of kitchen plumbing. We'll explore how water gets delivered to your faucet, where wastewater goes, and some essential tips for keeping your kitchen's plumbing system happy. Let's start with the main course. Fresh water. Your journey begins at the city's main water line, which brings water to your house. From there, a shut-off valve, typically located under your sink, controls the water supply to your kitchen. When you turn on the faucet, the valve opens, allowing water to flow through pipes made of copper, PVC, or PEX. Hot water takes a detour through your water heater, which heats it up before sending it on its way. Once it reaches your faucet, a mixer combines hot and cold water to achieve your desired temperature. As you wash dishes or rinse food, wastewater flows through the sink drain. Here's a crucial player, the P-trap. This curved pipe traps water, preventing sewer gases from entering your kitchen. From the P-trap, wastewater continues through a drain pipe which connects to the main sewer line that carries waste out of your house. Garbage disposals have a separate drain line that connects to the main drain pipe. Make sure to only grind up food scraps that are safe for the disposal to avoid clogs. Dishwashers also have a drain line that empties into the main drain pipe. Some dishwasher models come with an air gap, which prevents contaminated dishwasher water from backing up into your sink. Avoid pouring grease or oil down the drain, as it can solidify and cause clogs. Don't put coffee grounds, eggshells, or fibrous foods down the drain, as they can also lead to blockages. Regularly clean your sink drain with a drain stopper or strainer to prevent food scraps from accumulating. For stubborn clogs, a plunger or a plumbing snake can often do the trick, but for serious clogs or leaks, call a professional plumber. Thanks for joining us today. If you have any questions about your kitchen plumbing, leave a comment below and we'll do our best to answer them. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful home improvement content.